So guys, we got the OBS updated. Let's go back into this. Make sure you subscribe our channel. It's only for my interest. I'm not gonna to do this thing. I'm never gonna to monetize my channel. Not in this era. Yeah, I don't think I have activated it before. Okay, even though I won't accept any return from that. Okay, right now you need to just install MySQL. Okay, and there are a lot of things you need to do, like check out any other stuff online for this. I'm not gonna to direct you to do that. Just open MySQL dash root dash p. This is much better to do. Okay, it will open as root user and password. Yep, perfect. So you need to create a database. To create a database, you need to do create database and database name. Let's say tracker for you. Just add your name or something. Tracker. Yeah, tracker for you. Now after creating the database, we need to use the database, like say tracker for you. Let me copy and paste it. Copy paste. Sometimes it will be more efficient in some cases. Okay, show tables. So this will show us what all tables do we have, and over here it's empty. So let's say we need to create a table for sleep time. Okay, for that you need to do create table, the table name which you want. Let me say sleep tracking. Okay, maybe you will be having a Mi Band or some smartwatches. Just add it from the, it will be much better. I will show you how to do in much better way through some API. We can create an API for tracking these things using Flask and Python. Right now we need the date. uh, I would like it to be a varchar because I will add as integer or string, and it should be 30 and it should be not null. Also I will like the previous table which we have seen, we will do the same thing. Okay, and we are not tracking REM sleep and things over here. If you have any things that sort of track REM and things, you can add like REM time and much more times, light sleep time. You can add whatever you want. Over here I'm just adding duration of sleep because I'm not that good. I do manual way of tracking my sleep. I would like that much better. Over here we need to do float. Okay, because I'd like to do I like to have a decimal value over here, like point something. uh, Let me show you a thing. Okay, so let me open my server back again, clear. Let's do Python. Yeah, let's see. I think you can see this, right? uh, Whatever, let me clear it and open Python again. Okay, let's say you do sleep for 36 minutes. I will do 36 divided by 60. We got a value, right? 0.6. If I slept for 8 hour 36 minutes, it will be 8.6. I like to do in this manner. If it is 0.65, and I will do that 65 as 65 itself. If it is 667, then I will do 67, like a round of to nearest, like a 2 digit is enough, more than enough. Okay, I will do duration of sleep float and not null. And I would like to track my quality of sleep. Excuse me. Quality, yeah, that's enough. I don't want to jargon it out. I want to have duration only over here. Like it should be simple. That's what I want. Simple, simple as it is. I need an integer. It should be in percentage. Like it should be in out of 100 percentage. Should be like 80, 85, or 70. If it is very bad, it should be 50 or 45. Yeah, I would like to track it as that. Also, put this database in private manner. Try to not share your password and things. It's not so good. Okay. Int not null. Okay, these are the basic things we need, like date, varchar, duration, float, not null, quality. You can do this on your own laptop. I have a server, so I can track, upload it to server and store it safely. Over here we do have a server of Debian 11. Okay, if you don't have a server, just it's not a big deal. Just you can do this over your mobile or laptop, wherever it's possible. Or if you have a computer, you can do there also. If you have an old laptop sitting around, you can do that also. Create a server and do that. Yeah. So these are the basic things we are doing for sleep tracking. Okay. Let's show data tables. Yeah, tables. So these are the tables, and we have sleep tracking over there. Let's say you got a sleep time to be tracked. So let's say today I slept like 8.5 hours, like 8.5 hours. I will do this one. So I will do insert into sleep tracking, then values. Okay, these are the basic things. Let's say if you are not recording the quality, you need to do date, comma, duration. Okay, then you need to do values. If you are recording everything, okay, like date, duration and things, you can do values. And let's say date is like 2023. It's like year, month and last date. Today is like 9th of February, so 9. And duration, let's say it's 8.5 hours, I have told you like before. And the quality was better, I will do 85. Yeah, then I will do semicolon. So like that, we are recording our first record. And to see this data, we need to do select star from, I think it's more like a tutorial video for doing this. Not going to take much time of yours. So like that we can record the sleep time. So you may ask why to record this stuff. It's for your betterment. Okay, you can track yourself, what you are doing, what you have done for the previous week or month or previous year. Maybe after a year you can take these data and put it into a chart. I will show you that of mine, how I am tracking of myself. So in Reddit there is a page called Quantify Self. Quantify Life. Yeah, Quantify Life. You need to check Quantify itself. Okay, you need to check this. It's just amazing. Like self-regulating stress residency, blah blah blah. I don't know what they are trying to say, but they are telling to track our data, so it will be useful. Maybe you can track your cold, maybe the streak of cold you are getting over a week, and in a year you can track this whole days I got cold and things. Okay, there are a lot of things you can do. You can do in other ways too. You can use Google, uh, and I'm not worried about your privacy. Okay, really, like you can store it in Google if you feel safe. Okay, I don't feel that that's much safe. So I am using my own, yeah, my own database over here. So it's like protected, it won't be open to cloud. I have access to it, so I can track it of myself and keep the data with myself. Yeah, like that we have create for sleep. Like this you can do for tracking for coldness. Maybe you will be taking some sort of medicines, you can do for that. Like you can track whenever you need to take the pill, and if you have done that, you need to track, you can get track of it. Like you can give that data to your medical practitioner or GP, general practitioner, anyone. Okay, it will be helpful for you. And if you have any bad habits, you can also record that. Like I do have beep underscore record before, you have seen, right? Yeah, I can track that also. Like if you are reading a book, you can create like uh, book name, number of pages read, and finally like let's say like time or something, maybe a review of the book. You can do whatever you want. Like it depends on you, it's open, you can do whatever you want. Like you can track the date when you have read, you can track the time, you can track the duration of reading the book or anything. Or you can track like if you are going in a vehicle, you can track the kilometers you have drove that vehicle from this to place to this place. You can record anything. Like this is the best thing you can do in your life. Like track everything, track most of your stuff, put it in safe place, not with the Google. Maybe you will be interested in using Google Sheets. and it's just amazing too. Okay, I'm not complaining anything. Google Sheet, I don't know. I will do new dot sheet, sheets dot new. Okay. Like you can create something like this. You can do date, duration of sleep, and this is much easier way, and it's much simpler way. Okay, but still your data is with Google. You want to know that it's not in your hand and it's with Google. So I think that's all for this video. I'm not gonna to take you much long time. Let me drop database. Don't do this, okay? Tracker underscore for underscore u semicolon. Oh, I forgot the p. Drop. Yeah, we have dropped this database. And thank you for watching. And it's me, Abhinant. Yep, you know that, right? And I'm anonymous. By the way, my channel name doesn't mean what I'm doing. Like, you know my name, you know my personal details, most of the things. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.